guys, what is up? My name is Kate. For those of y'all that don't know me, if you do, welcome back. So if you guys can see, I have a new little filming wall and I'm very excited about it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. The one thing that I haven't done yet is I was thinking about putting like EnvironText over it to make it like hard and not peel at all, but so far so good with it and I'm really excited about it. Anyways, I will show you guys right now. Let's go get into it. So let's get into how I made my cool new backdrop. So I ordered prints from Shutterfly. They do have free unlimited prints and you can get them in glossy and matte. They have the square sizes, which I ordered most of my prints in, or you can get the longer sizes, 4x6 I think. And I just went to Pinterest and I printed a mix of pink pictures, celebrities that I loved, my own pictures, and then here I am kind of sorting through them, separating the square ones from the long ones so I can just kind of figure it out. And then when I started it all off, I started by laying each image down and arranging it how I would want to see it aesthetically, because I did print some pictures that were blue and not really the pink aesthetic. So I really wanted to go with some stuff that would mix all the colors I had and still keep it looking cute. So I'm trying to figure out how to incorporate the longer ones in there too without it looking too weird. Here is halfway through. And then here is all the way through, I think, at this point. But it literally took me forever to arrange them. I moved them around 8 million times, but I was actually happy with the outcome. I wish I had more solid photos though, and as you can see, I had more space. So I just took the matte Mod Podge, and what I started with was painting the backs of the pictures, which literally took me so much longer, as you can see. So my paintbrush was really thin. You could probably get a bigger paintbrush, but I didn't have any. So I started with this and there was that. So then I fanned it out to stick better. Okay, so I figured out really quick that painting the back of them was not the way to go. So now I'm just pulling them up and painting directly on the wood. Here is a montage of me just working my butt off for hours. I sped this up times 400 so you could see better. And it still took me for freaking ever, but you know, just making it fit. And I noticed if I gave it a little bit of space and then I slid it into the spot, a little Mod Podge would come up, and then I would just take my finger and rub in the sides and smooth it into the next pictures, and it dried so quick and so perfect. So this is sped up by 800, but here's a little montage of me laying down some of the stuff, and enjoy. This is the completed look. I was so happy with it. Like I said in the intro, I did not seal it with EnvironText yet because I wanted something matte. Another thing you need to know is to get the matte prints out of the two options on Shutterfly, and you will have to pay shipping and handling. That's another thing. I think I spent $12 in shipping on all of these pictures and it was so worth it. So let me know what you think. I'm so obsessed. Wish I had more pictures to fill in the space. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like it, let me know. I'm really excited about how it turned out. It looks exactly like I wanted. So I'm really excited about the choices that I picked for the pictures. There is some pictures of me, like me and Taya. I have a picture of me and Hannah over here. just like me over here, me here. So it's like a random mix of pictures I liked off of Pinterest, pictures I liked in my camera roll that I thought would fit, things like that. I wanted to make it very me and very my aesthetic. So let me know what you guys think. I am excited to have another area to film in. This won't be my only filming area, but it will be one of them. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys did anything similar. You could do this for basically anything. So I will see you guys next Thursday. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.